This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Dovgan Plombir Milk Snack Vanilla flavor, Milch Snack Vanille Geschmack. 3 bars of this milk snack are in this particular package, and we are going to take a very close look at them together today. Let's take a look around the packaging first. Looks decent enough. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right there and the ingredients list right here. It says in German here, sweet bar out of milk and coconut fat with vanilla flavor, coated with a cocoa containing fat glaze, just a regular cheap chocolate coating. And this one is aufgetaut, thawed. Interesting. Maybe it is being shipped frozen and in the supermarket it is then thawed. I kept it thawed for the last day or two, so I hope I didn't have to freeze it. Let's open this up. I googled it, and in this like Reddit post they said this is a Mogelpackung, so a deceiving package, a deceiving item, because the actual bar is not nearly as large as the packaging is, and it really seems to be quite small. Yeah, with the package here, the individual wrapping seems to be fair, but if we open this up, let's see. I'm really curious. Is it as bad as it was on the picture that I've seen? Oh, okay, that's a great start. It doesn't look pretty. It's tiny. Look at this. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. This is the height of the packaging. This is the thing. It's a bit taller than half. It's warped. It's not evenly coated. Yeah, that's interesting. So the milk snack, it's melting on my fingers here. So I'm going to give this a taste test. Whoopsie, right away. Plombir milk snack vanilla flavor going in. When you eat something like this, you expect like an ice cream texture with a crunchy outside and like the creamy inside. But this here, no crunch to it whatsoever. No. The filling is interesting. It's got a certain acidity to it, a certain sweetness, a certain acidity. It feels like something that could have become Gouda in a different life, but it's soft. When you see here, I mean, it's disgusting to look at when I say like this, but with my tooth marks here, right? Do you know when you bite into a block of cheese and you get these tooth marks? You get the same ones here, but this one just doesn't have the springiness, the integrity of an actual cheese piece. I don't have a spoon. I don't have a fork, a knife. I am not prepared properly, so I'll try to take a look at the chocolate coating all by itself like this. Feels like a regular cheap chocolate coating. Yeah, the milk snack all by itself. Can I do that? Oh my god, this is terrible. A terrible review style for a truly underwhelming item. Good fit. No. So I guess it's a sort of milky mess that really wants to be cheese, but it's not. It feels a bit like cream cheese, but the texture is weird. The texture, it's as fine as proper cheese is, but it still has this sort of quite stiff creaminess texture to it. It's very weird. I thought it was some Ferrero knockoff, but Ferrero has enough decency not to sell you stuff like this. No. It's sort of sour. Not actually sour, but this milky acidity. Then you've got this sweetness of this very cheap tasting chocolate coating. And then it's super tiny compared to the actual package size. Yeah, I know why they call it a Mogelpackung. and why they are not that happy with it, because I'm neither. Yes, I am neither. Interesting thing, certainly something that I haven't had before. Again, I thought it was some sort of some Ferrero style product, maybe like a Kinder Pingui, but the Kinder Pingui is nice, and even that also doesn't look nearly as good as it does in the packaging. But the thing that we have obtained here, compared to what we see here, feels like a bit of a slap in the face. Flavor is underwhelming. It just feels overall, it tastes a bit cheap, like it's really cheap chocolate coating. Not very nice. And well, I do not know what this costs because I did not buy this myself, but if you see this for any money above €1, then don't go for it. Honestly, it's not worth it. No. I will give this in total a 3 out of 10. It's a very bad rating for an item that I think is not worth any proper money. And I'm wondering who likes this, because I don't. I like the cheese snacks. There are good ones, there are bad ones, but most of them are okay. And I've recently come into contact with the smoked cheese balls and the smoked cheese strings, and while they were very surprising, let's say that like that, very surprising in flavor, they do have something to them that I like, that I want to come back to, but this one here doesn't. No, underwhelming in every respect, and I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.